Hi guys, just here to show you a little bit about our virtual visual schedule. This is just to kind of get you used to using a visual schedule, and hopefully it may work to replace a paper visual schedule for now until we can get those out and distributed if this does not work well for you. So definitely let me know if this works for you. The way that this works is you just look on the tab, or the sidebar here to the left, and you just pull over the activities that you need. But before you do that, make sure that you click on the hand or move tool, and then you can set up your schedule for however that you want. So let's say that in the morning we want to make sure that we brush our teeth, we eat our breakfast, we get dressed. Well, maybe we get dressed before we eat our breakfast. If you have your child make their bed, you can put that in there. Then let's say time we'll use the school, maybe. There it is. Sometimes it's really hard to drag in that little corner over there, but make sure that your action button is always there. Yeah, when you get down to this little corner, we may have to fix that. So we got school, we can get snack. If you need to reuse a tool, you might be able to, I'm not sure if it'll let you or not, but you can try it. Control C to copy, Control V to paste will give you another activity. If you have difficulty with that or it won't let you do that, let me know. It's very difficult to judge that on my end because I don't get to see what you see. And then you can set it up like that. This is kind of a very specific schedule for part of the day. Then as the students complete their activities, you can grab the star and put a star on the activity that they have finished. And that's something to kind of keep track of your day. Now I realize that these options are not the best options, that are not a comprehensive list by any means, but you can also add your own. What's really neat about this is, let's say you have a specific item or toy that your child wants to use. I'm going to go ahead and close this and restart with a clear template so you can see. Let's say that your child is just having trouble with getting their schoolwork done. So I'm going to select my hand tool and I'm going to move up here and put school. And then let's say they have a favorite toy or something like that, so that I don't have a picture for over here. I can click the picture icon, click photo, and it's going to ask me to allow to take a photo. Now right now you're just going to see me on the screen, but if I click that photo, it makes a photo. Then you can resize that photo. Unfortunately, with the lens or wide photos that the computer takes, it won't quite fit in the box there. You can resize them to fit in there, but then it kind of makes them all weird, shaped. But if you're taking it with your phone or you take a picture with another device, you can do the same thing. Click here and just click upload your photo and then choose the photo that you want to put in there. That's for specific things, so you can use this as what we call a first then card. So school first, and then you can put a picture of the thing that they want to do. So there's the board is pretty useful. You can use top to bottom, you can use side to side, whatever works best for your child. So try it out, give me some feedback, let me know what you think of it, and if you enjoy using it, this is available on any device that you can pull up Seesaw. So if you sign into your parent account on your phone, and you can use this tool all day long. One thing it does not show up here on my screen is the draft button. And that is to use so that when you set up your schedule during the day, you can click draft and it will save your schedule in your Seesaw so that you can come back and edit it throughout the day. Then when you're finished at the end of the day, you can click the check mark to turn it in. I'm not looking for grading this. I'm just looking to see if this is a useful tool. If you have recommendations for other activities or things that should go here on the left, let me know, and I can try to add in more. But as you see, it's kind of difficult to add too many on here, so we want to try to keep this as simple as possible. So anything in here that you would not use, let me know, or anything in here that you need, let me know. And that will also help me to build physical schedules when we get to that point. Unfortunately, I've just been unable to get this. I can make these for you, but I want to make sure they're going to work and be successful before we go through all the trouble of trying to get physical schedules made and put out there. If your child is doing fine with the activities without a schedule, then you don't have to use this. This is an optional activity. It is optional for you and your students, just as a tool to help. All right, so let me know what you think, and if you like it, we will use it more.